Hello my dear students. Today I will teach you the chapter People Who Help Us at School. Earlier you read this chapter. This is the revision hour, and one by one we will do each and every chapter revision. So here one word is quite surprising. That means school. School nowadays it is off. That is why we are every day we miss so many things: school activities, meeting with friends, guidance of the teacher, means sharing tiffin, playing, and so many other things. By the way, here just you see in the picture, what is the picture, what is written here? Can you understand what is written here? Here it is written principal. So people means the persons who are helping us at school. So whenever you are at home, your parents, your sister, brother, they are helping you. But when you are coming to school, here principal and teachers, they are your guardian. So principal, as the head of the school, has lot of duties. He is always busy with class and some administrative works, mainly administrative works. Principal also takes some class, but there are other persons also. We will come one by one. Here in your book, if you have the book with you, you can see the principal looks after the whole school, mean total school activities, whether prayer, prayer hall. I think you have not gone to the prayer hall, but prayer hall mainly occasion time, mainly festival or any kind of function, that time you just visited the prayer hall. There prayer hall, prayer, we are doing the prayer, there also principal go. Again in the class, different class, then principal chamber is there. So many things, even in the playground and at last when bus is moving, principal sir is always there. So principal has a very vital duty, and he is always ready to perform that duty. So this is the role of principal. There are so many words, but I have to say about other also. Now you see, we will go to the next picture. You see, who is this? Yes, maybe dress is different, but she is teacher. Suppose I am your teacher, another ma'am is your teacher, or sir, whatever. Here you can see one madam. Madam is teaching. What is that? Can you identify what is she teaching? You can see here some mathematical digit. So yes, and the sign is plus. That means mathematics class is going on, and the topic is addition, most probably. Now you see, in this way teacher helps the students to understand about the process and result of the sum. So teacher is doing also hard work to make you understand always, as I am doing. Actually I am trying. I don't know how far you can understand, because if you are in the class, then I can see you. You can also see, then you can talk with me about your problems. We can communicate among ourselves. Then our problems would become very easier. But now through this mobile screen, as it is online class, and in case it is an one way communication, so there are maybe some difficulties, though I think you can easily avoid this difficulty. Now you see, this is the role of the teacher, and what is there in the hand? This is the chalk. With the chalk we can write in the blackboard. You can see in your class, when you were last year you were in school, in the classroom you have seen that teacher is writing with the chalk in the blackboard, and you can see all the digit, all the writing, everything. And teacher is also smiling here. Yes, in the smiling face, or that means class we should enjoy. Okay, that is the main thing. Next you go. Oh, who are these? You see, just like you. If you are a boy, then you are looking like this, but dress is different. Your dress is blue pant and white shirt, and here you see it is quite different. What is the color? This is the red, and this is bluish, sky blue. Yes, now here you see, if you are a girl, then is it your picture? I don't know. I can't say how you just look and who is watching, how you are looking. But you see, it's a very cute girl. Bag is also there. Yes, we have different color bag. And we have school shoes also. But these shoes are not same as our school shoes. Okay. This is a blue skirt and yellow top. But in our school, there is white top and blue skirt. Skirt is also not there in our school. We have blue tunic for girls. Yes, there you see two pigtails. It is must who has long hair, they will tie up their hair in this way for the girls. And you see, by looking at their face and eyes, you can see they are very excited, they are very happy to go to school together with friends. We go to school, so this is the symbol of that work. Okay, now you see our next picture. Yes, what is this? There are so many books in an almirah. Yes, this is the place which is called library. Library, I think you are very little children. I think you have not visited so vividly. In future you will go. Library means a place in school where different kinds of books are stored. Yes, it is a storeroom for books. Not only books, journals, magazines and other materials. So library has a system. Weekly you can take book and you can return. There is a librarian also who maintain the works in library. Here in your book also there is a picture of librarian. You can see librarian also has a lot of work to do, and he always maintain the discipline inside the library. Okay, now next picture you see. What is the next picture? Let us see. Oh, who is this? I think he is the this lady is maintaining all the office work. There is a computer, there are papers, pen, and you see the haircut. Do you like this haircut? Yes, this is very much suitable for the little girl child. Okay, so you see the woman is working in the office, and this is very vital post. Whoever comes in the office, visitors and other persons, guardians, so they first contact in the office in the reception. After that, taking permission or getting information from there, they can perform their duties. Okay, now next, this is the office clerk. In your book also it is written that school clerk sits in the office. Okay, very good. And nowadays everywhere we can see the use of computer. So here the lady is also using the computer, but eyes are closed, I think. I don't know, sleeping. Next you see, who is this? This is the school building and this is the school ground, and yes, this is you, isn't it? With your mother. This is you, just you are coming back, you are going back to your home, and you see with your mother you are taking the umbrella, you people. Okay, this is the guard of the school. This is the guard of the school, or the watchman. He is standing near the gate. He has a long stick in his hand. Actually he is giving guard to the school. Watchman means who is coming, who is going out of the school, and who is entering into the school, either stranger or visitor, whoever. He always at first entertain that person, or if any wrong anything happens, then he also try to control. And most probably where like our school, Sharada Vidya Mandir, where little children are also learning their lessons, means class Orun, Uday, Prabhat, as you were last year in Prabhat. One also, very little children. So any time if they come near the gate or go outside the gate, it doesn't happen, but last time it happened 1 or 2 times that little children, they are searching for their mother or parents and they are going just outside, but then and then the watchman just take them a hold and asking what happened, then return to the classroom. So this is a watchman's duty is very vital, and he is always near the gate and looks after all the necessary matters. Okay, next. Who is this? Can you identify? Yes, this is the bus, school bus, and the bus driver. Bus driver is sitting in the driver's seat. He is holding the wheel, means just to start the bus for school purpose. Okay. Here also, bus driver has a great duty. Bus driver is carrying so many children together, and he has to drive the bus very smoothly so that the children cannot get any time hurt and they feel very comfortable, means journey will be comfortable. That is why sometimes senior persons means who is very rational person, or in very good driver, in good hands in driving also, that type of person run the bus in the city. So bus driver is also very happy here. He is laughing here. You can see in your book there is a bus, and inside the bus there are many students seat, and driver is driving the bus. Yes, so this is also very vital job, vital task. If the bus driver is not there, bus will not move. Who will drive the bus, and how can we enjoy the journey towards school? Yes, next you see. Yes, can you imagine what is the time? Yes, maybe it is the starting time of the class. That is why our bell man, or you can say that peon. Peon means the group D level staff who is doing this type of work, means giving bell at the starting of the school, at the tiffin hour, at last of the school, then any time, any short break, long break, that time giving bell. Now I think this man is giving bell to at a starting time, and after that again he will give after each and every period he will give bell. So bell, it's a very interesting. Whenever the bell rings, we just shout in the class, isn't it? Okay, now you see. What is that? In each and every school there is garden. In our school also there are beautiful gardens, long tall trees, small flowery plants. There are so many things. You can see this is the gardener, and with a long pipe he is watering the little plants. Yes, very interesting thing. Sometimes we also love to play with the waters, and we go near the flower plants and sprinkle the water so that it come to us. Means then gardener say that don't come here. Sometimes he become angry also by your activities, but we do not listen. Actually little children love to play with water. Okay, that is another thing. The gardener is doing his duty. You can see here the water, the plants, and the gardener is giving the water to the plants. The plants get very fresh after getting the water. So it is one kind of beautification of the school also. So gardener is responsible for that. So it is also a very good job. Yes, next you see what is that. Yes, this is one lab. You can see the different pictures in the walls. Big room, blue chairs, means arrangement is very good. It is very comfortable for class. But one person is holding one big stick like structure and wiping the floors. Or there is a machine, you can see, maybe it is vacuum cleaner, means the cleaning process is going on, and this stuff is working for cleaning purpose. Okay, that is also the group D level staff who is cleaning all the floors of the classroom so that health and hygiene can be maintained, or very happily we can do the class. Okay, next. I don't think any picture. Yes. So again we can come back to the main screen. Yes, here principal is there. You can see, as I have told each and every person's duty here. Now your task, you have to read this chapter very loudly in your home, and revision is very important. First time when we are reading, we have sometime confusion, we have sometime very pressure, means we don't know what is the answer of this. So when we memorize, after that it is clear. But next time when we revisit that chapters or revise that chapters, then many things become clear. And 2 times repetition, it is very good for knowledge also, knowledge purpose also. Now I will give you very short questions today, next day, from this chapter. My request, you just read the chapter, watch the video, and enjoy your study. We don't know when the school will open, when the exam will be there, we don't know anything, but our target is to gather knowledge, means we will be more knowledgeable. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can discuss with your parents, you can discuss with me, you can write me your problems. Okay, so today this much. Okay, be happy. Thank you.